You're a homeowner, so you know that things go wrong at the most inconvenient times. It's a Monday night, you're just getting home from work, and you walk into an unbearable sweatbox. Maybe even worse, your ceiling's caving in, leaking water all over your most prized possessions. What do? You're probably reaching for your phone to call your AC company and blame them, thinking it was maybe an improper installation, maybe that they didn't do a good drain line clean out last time, or maybe that you have a faulty system. I know that's not the case, and soon you will too, because today I'm going to let you guys know about IFLOPRO. I'm Heidi, and this is Randy, and we're super excited to talk to you about it today.
I've been in the business for 35 years in South Florida, and the last 25 I spent as a licensed air conditioning contractor. Everything Heidi just said about those inopportune times is true. I've had to dispatch technicians multiple times in the middle of the night to clean out drain lines. And we're here to talk today about how IFLOPRO can help reduce those calls for you.
Have you ever heard of Zuglia? Well, it's the hidden enemy of all HVAC systems and what is causing all those issues. It's that thick, slimy, jelly-like mucus that builds up in your AC drain pan and line system, causing those costly clogs and potentially leading to thousands of dollars in water damage.
And despite your contractor's best efforts, you could have a technician with 25 or 30 years experience in the field. He can't prevent Zuglia from growing inside the drain pan and drain line. It's virtually impossible.
It is. It's super aggressive, super fast growing. And also now, because our systems are made out of all aluminum, it's growing faster than it ever has before.
In the past, homeowners would put very harsh chemicals such as bleach. I've heard vinegar. There's other chemicals that some contractors use that are very, very corrosive to the system and actually really dangerous to touch even. And that's why IFLOPRO and the solution that we have is very safe for the system and the technician who's handling it.
That's where IFLOPRO comes in. IFLOPRO works to automatically dispense a bioenzymatic solution directly into your drain pan, addressing the Zuglia at the source.
And when IFLOPRO is installed by a certified professional, you receive many exclusive benefits, including
a 5-year hassle-free warranty, a professional-grade enhanced formula with added corrosion inhibitors, as well as 24-volt wiring for reliability and consistency of your device all year round.
And my favorite piece, there's a float switch monitor connected to every IFLOPRO device, which will allow you and your contractor to receive critical alerts within minutes of any of your float switches tripping.
And as a homeowner, that is huge to me. Knowing that my AC company would be monitoring my device would give me the peace of mind that I deserve.
And although there is a DIY version of iFlow, every time an IFLOPRO device is installed in your home, it ensures that you're getting all of those exclusive benefits that we just talked about.
Protect your home and protect your peace of mind and get with IFLOPRO today.
IFLOPRO, the smartest choice you can make for your HVAC system.